Welcome to Architecture AI on YouTube. We provide informative content on the intersection of architecture and artificial intelligence to help you achieve amazing and sustainable results. If you're interested in these topics, please subscribe to our channel and join us on this journey. The Revit architectural program provides an easy and efficient way to create accurate and comprehensive architectural designs, thanks to its many advanced features and powerful tools. The program helps designers and engineers speed up the design process and save the time and effort needed to create high-quality designs. In this video, we will explore what the Revit architectural program is and how users can benefit from it in the field of architectural and engineering design. We will also discuss some practical examples of designs created using the Revit architectural program and how to achieve the best results using this excellent program. We are excited to share this information with you, so stay tuned to learn everything about the Revit architectural program and how to use it effectively and innovatively. The Revit architectural program is characterized by many advanced features that make it one of the best architectural and engineering design software available today. Among these features are 1. Building Information Modeling, BIM. The Revit architectural program allows users to create accurate 3D models of buildings, structures, and interior and exterior components, which helps with planning, design, and execution with greater accuracy and efficiency. 2. Drawing and Design. The Revit architectural program provides a wide range of tools and options for drawing and design, including manual drawing, computer-aided design, and 3D design. The program also provides large libraries of ready-to-use symbols and graphics. 3. Collaboration and Coordination. The Revit architectural program allows users to collaborate and coordinate between different teams involved in the design and construction process, which helps improve efficiency and productivity and reduce errors and costs. 4. Analysis and Simulation. The Revit architectural program allows users to analyze and simulate designs, which helps improve performance and efficiency and reduce costs. 5. Management and Control. The Revit architectural program provides users with the ability to manage and control large and complex projects, including planning, scheduling, monitoring, and reporting. These are some of the key advanced features of the Revit architectural program, and there are many other features that make it one of the best software available for architectural and engineering design. The Revit architectural program provides many analysis and simulation tools that can be used to analyze various aspects of the design, including 1. Force and Stress Analysis. The Revit architectural program allows users to perform force and stress analysis on different structures and components of the building. This tool can be used to determine the necessary loads for the structure and identify parts that need reinforcement. 2. Thermal Analysis. The thermal analysis tool can be used to analyze the effect of heat on the design, estimate energy consumption, and identify the most cost-effective materials. 3. Lighting Analysis. The lighting analysis tool can be used to analyze the effect of lighting on the design, identify the optimal lighting for different spaces, and estimate energy consumption. 4. Sound Analysis. The sound analysis tool can be used to analyze the effect of sound on the design, estimate noise levels, and identify the most effective materials to reduce noise. 5. Environmental Performance Analysis. The Environmental Performance Analysis tool can be used to analyze the impact of the design on the environment, estimate environmental risks, and identify best practices to minimize environmental impact. These are some of the tools available in the Revit architectural program for analysis and simulation. To fully benefit from these tools, users must review the programming instructions and online tutorials and learn how to use these tools correctly and effectively.